I also get access to my Lynx Whiteboard. So in the Lynx Whiteboard, I'm able to make new documents. I'm able to connect my Lynx Whiteboard account to my Google Drive or my OneDrive. Then in here we can use any types of pens like our ink pen. We can resize them and we can change the color of them, and we can start annotating on our whiteboard. We also have different pens in here like our highlighter pen, for example. So we're able to change the color of that pen and highlight different things on the screen. We also have access to our laser pen, for example, so we're able to point out different parts of the screen, and after a few seconds our laser pen will disappear. We have access to some recognition tools like our text recognition tool, our shape recognition tool. So as you can see, it will recognize my text and it will recognize my shapes, and it's going to fix them up. Our maths recognition tool, which is going to do our equations for us. We also have access to our different tools like our animated rainbow for primary schools, for example. We also have access to type on the screen with our keyboard. Another great feature is our paintball, where we can colour in different parts of the screen, whether it's our background or different lines or letters on the screen as well. We also have an access to this plus icon that's going to allow us to look up different media, and it's all safe search as well. So for example, we can go on Google and we're able to look up different pictures on Google. So for example, let's say we're learning about Greek history, we can drag and drop different pictures from Google on our screen. We can move them around the screen and resize them, and then we can use our highlighter, for example, to highlight different things on our pictures there as well. Another great feature is that access to our YouTube through the Lynx Whiteboard. All the YouTube videos are going to be cleansed of ads before they're shown on the screen, so we can find a video that we like and we can drag and drop it onto our Lynx Whiteboard. A few more useful features inside that plus icon are the content page. So in here, we can drag and drop different backgrounds onto the screen and we can resize them. We can also bring in different tools onto the screen like our ruler, which we can move around. We can use the blue and the red notch to measure certain lines on the screen with that ruler, and then we can move that ruler around. So again, there's different tools for different subjects, whether it's geography, maths, and etc. that we're able to drag and drop and use on the screen. So as I mentioned previously, we can use this browse option to actually browse our files from our Google Drive or our OneDrive once it's connected to our Lynx account. So we can drag and drop any sort of files onto the whiteboard. So in this instance, I'm just going to go for a PDF file. We're able to move that file around and we're able to resize it as well. Then we're able to use our pens, or for example our highlighter, to highlight different parts of that file as well. We can flip through different pages of that file too, to navigate around those different pages of our file. Now our Lynx Whiteboard integrates with many types of files, whether it's PowerPoint, PDF, Word, Excel, etc. You're able to select any of those files and bring them into the Lynx Whiteboard. Once we're done using our Lynx Whiteboard, we're able to use our share and print feature here to share our presentations to our students or our colleagues via a QR code. We're also able to use the three-line menu to use this Save As feature to save the Lynx Whiteboard onto our Google Drive and etc. We're also able to change the language of our Lynx Whiteboard to Irish, Spanish, French, and many other languages.